What is the outcome of your conference with Judge Kessler this morning?
Yes, well, we had our status hearing with the judge and with the assistant U.S. attorney. The government still hasn't really finally formalized a proposal to us. The only issue before the court this morning was what to do about the charge that's pending against Mr. Obame. The government has basically indicated that the only thing that they're willing to do at this point would be to accept a plea of guilty to that charge, and have made the notation that the maximum sentence in the case, according to the guidelines, is a 6-month sentence. We need to determine whether a plea being entered on these terms would affect Mr. Obame's immigration status, and whether or not it would be in his best interest to either do that or just simply go to trial. Now, the court has reset the status for Monday, March the 26th, and at that point we will determine whether we're going to try to work this out with a non-trial disposition, or on the 26th, a trial date I think will be set by the court. So by Monday the 26th, we're going to know which way this case is actually going to go.
Though his immigration status can be affected by this matter?
Well, Mr. Obame is a permanent resident of the United States, and a felony conviction, which is what this charge is, could have an adverse effect on his status as a permanent resident. So I want to determine whether a conviction or a plea under this particular statute or charge would affect his immigration status. The assistant U.S. attorney thinks that a sentence of less than 1 year, even on a felony conviction, would not affect Mr. Obame's status as a permanent resident. So that's one of the issues that we need to resolve, and one of the reasons why the status hearing has been continued until March the 26th. We need time to determine what effect a plea or conviction would have on Mr. Obame's immigration status.
I see you smiling. You think that you got some outcome that can be in favor of Mr. Leon Obame?
Well, I think Mr. Obame has some positives on his side, and we just need to determine what is in his best interest. He, of course, has to make that decision, and I need to talk with him about that. We will make a decision, and I think this matter, will be resolved in a way that should work out for Mr. Obame.
I think Mr. Obame has, I can see a good political future in Gabon. The outcome is okay.
Yes, I think you're right, and I've urged Mr. Obame to consider running for office in Gabon.
Thank you.
Thank you.